Hello students, welcome back to my channel. Today we will solve exercise 2.3 question number 1 by 4 of 1 by 4. So how to write 1 by 4 into 1 by 4? That of we have to change by multiplication sign and then 1 by 4. Then multiply numerator with numerator, denominator with denominator, you will get 1 by 16. Like this we have to do the second question also. 1 by 4 of 3 by 5. Of we will replace by multiplication sign, so 1 by 4 into 3 by 5, that we will get 3 by 20. Numerator with numerator, denominator with denominator. Now the answer we are getting is 3 by 20. Doing the C part, 1 by 4 of 4 by 3. So how to write it? 1 by 4 of 4 by 3, 1 by 4 into 4 by 3. Now we have to multiply 4 ones are 4, 4 threes are 12, 4 ones are 4, 4 threes are 12. That is the simplest form, so you will get 1 by 3 is the answer. So we'll write the answer as 1 by 3. Now doing the third part, now doing the second question, 1 by 7 of 2 by 9. So 2 by 9. 1 by 7 of, again we will replace by multiplication sign into 2 by 9. 1 2s are 2 and 7 9s are 63. 2 by 63 is the answer. Now doing with 6 by 5. Now we have to take the 1 by 7 of 6 by 5. So we have to write like this first, into 6 by 5. Then 6 ones are 6 and 7 5s are 35. So you'll get 6 by 35 as the answer. Now doing the C part, 1 by 7 of 3 by 10. So 1 by 7 into 3 by 10. So you'll get 3 by 7 10s are 70. So 3 by 70 is the answer for the C part. See student, very easy. Like this we can solve the complete exercise. Questions are like this only. So you have to keep in mind, of you have to replace with the multiplication sign only. And if you have any doubt, you can comment me in the comment section, and keep subscribe to my channel. Hit the like button, share and subscribe the electronics tube channel. Let's see you in the next video students. Bye bye, take care.